Good morning. It's Thursday, 17th of April. Almost Friday. And today's trading week, midweek after yesterday, started bubbling up a little bit. But not really that much activity. Just looked like a couple of handful of stocks here and there. Getting ready to do a jump, a little spike, maybe a little movement for next week. So you guys got to understand the stock market when it comes to pennies. It's a breathing animal, right? It's like it gets itself pumped up and ready to jump. You know, you've got all the managers and little brokers counting stocks, counting things, getting their prices ready to move, so the companies can raise money for themselves, and then they move, and the stock goes up. People make some money. The company cashes in on it. Stock goes down, and it's not a bad thing. It's just the way it is. Just the way it is. It does it to everybody. It doesn't preclude anybody. I mean, if it's raining, it rains on everybody. But if you're smart, or if you're opportunistic, you can take advantage of those times that these companies are raising money to further their growth in their little companies that they're trying to establish. Anyway, this week we talked about our watch list, and that's pretty much what we're doing. There's other companies out there, but I don't want it to get out of hand. Those of you that follow, I want you to start understanding how to follow penny stocks, and basically one company is just as much as good as another, and it's only as good as how much you know about it. So the more you know about a company, the better you are. You don't have to know all companies to be a penny stock trader. And you're not gonna, because there's like 6,000 to 8,000 of them. And to spend the time learning all of them would be ludicrous. I mean, you could learn all the numbers, I guess. You could get familiar with the stocks and movement, which is all good, the technical side of it. But here at Penny Stocks to Watch Today, if you follow along, you'll learn about pennies and how to trade them, and how to watch them, and maybe a little bit of how to do your own due diligence, you know, just by listening. You don't have to be a trader. You don't have to be an intraday trader or a big investor. But you know what? If you invest and you have some money in there and you have a risk tolerance for it, then hey, you're at the right place. Just listen every day. Give a few minutes here and there. We talk about our companies on our watch list. We add, we drop, we sell, we buy. We have fun. That's what it's about, having fun, making money. And so yesterday, for my subscribers, I gave you on your text alert, MYRY, first thing in the morning. Yeah. Well, today I'm going to give it to everybody, MYRY. Myriad. It's a software company. They're up 30% from the trading yesterday, and I believe they're probably going to go back up to their 3 or 4 cent range. They're sitting at about 2 cents today. So get in there, grab you a little bit of that bite while it spikes, and go ahead and get ready to sell it next week, or maybe even tomorrow. This is a quick one, but this is a good stock to watch when it comes to the Bitcoin issue. If you see anything on Bitcoin moving up, put this in your watch list as a penny stock and buy it, because they do a lot of they do some software programming work, and they're responsible for some of the software out there that helps people to buy Bitcoin online and things like that. Anyway, It's a short day, Thursday. I'm on my way to work, driving through traffic like everybody else. And let me spit out our watch list again. Ecobee, Eco Building Products, basement floor, ground floor. That's where they're at. They're gonna move up. 52-week high of 15 cents. Get in on them now. Put your sell at 4 or 5. Get some money. What else we got? AGCZ. Andy's Gold. Hey, gold's gonna go back up again eventually, right? Well, you know, gas is up. Everybody's taking the bus, or they just stop going shopping so much. It looks like everybody's still going to Starbucks, though. Yeah, Andy's Gold, AGCZ. It's fluttering up and down. It's from 7,000 to 8,000 of a penny. That's a great buy. And then we got FARE, F-A-R-E, World Motto. It's one of my favorites because, you know, it's a young dude with a great product, answer a world problem. Taxi meters for these little motorcycles in Thailand and Africa and all these little foreign places. Yeah, you guys might not know much about it, but I've been there, and I know. You try to get a ride from a taxi meter or a trike, some places they call them that, and man, you pay $1 US on one ride and then pay $6 coming back. It's just not regulated, and this guy came up with a taxi meter, World Motto and Company, that regulates it. And I think they're going to go places. I mean, we'll continue to talk about them in the future. And anyway, check out PennyStocksToWatchToday.com, and I'm going to start. We'll be updating all these companies. You'll be able to read up on them, and or you'll be able to go back to other talks that we've had and listen to those. Anyway, until tomorrow, for all the subscribers out there, stay tuned. Be pushing you some ticks to buy and sell, and have a good Thursday.